wire we said we can't forget. Yeah, we gotta remember to put that ground wire back on there too. So let me cut it down, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'll be back. We got a jack or spindle up top. Slide the jack over. We're gonna line it up how we had lined it up before. So you gotta pay attention to the marks you made. Right here, right here. I made mine like, I see it. I made mine like right here. And right here, the same thing on the back. So that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna get this bottom one lined in first. Can't see it for real now. See that little mark I made right there? I know y'all see it. So look, y'all see that mark right there? Y'all see that long mark I made? So we're gonna bring that back down right there. We're gonna lock this down right here. Pause it, y'all. Be right back. Turn my camera. Alright, look. Y'all see I made some marks right here. Watch this. I'm going in and out right here. So watch. I made some marks. You'll see them. See that mark right there? The little one. See it, back it up. Our link going into place, y'all. Over here. We're gonna get that in. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, got our link back and start. Now y'all gonna see what I was talking about when you gotta need that 5mm. See how it's all turning.